Hi and welcome to Kids Retro Craft. Today we will be making a card from brand new What a Zoo flip card kit.
We're going to begin by sharing with you what comes in the new What a Zoo flip card kit. First is the instruction sheet. Then there are 3 mats. There is 1 peekaboo pocket, 1 white envelope with a square flap, 1 card base that's already scored and folded for you, as well as decorative stickers. Now let's make a card together. So what we're going to do to start is we'll put these over to the side. Some additional items that you might want are some scissors, maybe some pens, your adhesive, and a border punch. So we're going to start with the border punch. We're going to open up our card and we're going to use this punch. This is called the Baroque punch. You can use any border punch. Just as the instructions show, you can set up your card in a horizontal format or you can set it up in a vertical format. I think we're gonna make ours vertical. What do you think, Lila? So your first step then is to cut this mat in half so that you have 2 of these small ones. So we'll pull over our trimmer. And we'll get this lined up at 3 inches. You can go ahead and slice down for me, Lila. Thank you. Cut that in half perfectly. Good job. All right. So we've got our card front. So what would we like it to say? Love, hugs, and kisses, from you to me, hello, or my adventures? Hello? Perfect. Okay, so why don't you adhere that down? Awesome. And then open it up. And now we can either put from me to you, or love, hugs, and kisses on the inside. What do you think?
Love, hugs, and kisses. And then we can put it right here.
We're going to adhere it right here. Sure.
Yeah, you can put it anywhere.
Anywhere you want. That is awesome. All right, so the next step is we're going to take our peekaboo pocket and we're going to take the adhesive backing off. So do you want to pull that for me, Lila? Awesome.
Easy to take off.
Easy peasy. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold back my peekaboo pocket, and I'm going to line that up with not quite the edge, but near the fold of the card.
Because then it won't fold, and that's a problem.
That's right. You don't want to overlap it because that would be a problem. So now we're going to go ahead and choose a mat for the inside. So I think we're going to do this one. And the reason for that is because this one's great. You can put a photo here, and then we could maybe do a drawing here. What do you think, Lila? Yeah? So before the video, we actually got that ready. So this is a picture of Lila when she first learned to ride her 2-wheeler. And then she went ahead and drew a picture of her and her cousin and her bike on a sunny day. And we're gonna write her a little note because we miss her, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in to our peekaboo pocket. And then we're gonna take this one and we're going to add some adhesive.
And put it on the back.
Now we kind of want to line it up so that it hides behind the one on top. So kind of line it up in the same spot and then press down, and then it's a surprise, right? So when your recipient gets it, they open it up, they see a beautiful picture and a fun little message. And in this case, we did a fun little drawing, right? You could also put another photo there, or you could put a photo here and do your writing there. It's completely up to you. But Lila's gonna do some writing down here for her cousin, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop it in the mail. Why don't we add some of the stickers on first? What do you think? While Lila goes ahead and decorates her card, I went ahead and asked her some questions about who this card kit would be perfect for. Who do you think, Lila?
Everyone.
That's so true. And who would you like to create this card kit with?
Grandma, you, my friends, Esther.
That's awesome. So pretty much anybody?
Yeah.
Yeah? Since we can't really see people right now because we're social distancing, how do you think we could make these cards with people?
We could go on Zoom. We can go on Google Chat.
Yeah? Maybe FaceTime?
Yeah.
That would be so much fun if you and Esther each had a card kit and you could make it virtually together. Wouldn't that be fun?
That would be really fun.
Thanks, Lila.
So that, and we're done.
So you're gonna go ahead and write your message here to Esther, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop it in the envelope, and it looks like you have the perfect amount of stickers to decorate your envelope still.
Yay. This is the card I made. This is me. This is my picture, and this is a note to my cousin.